Guy, you understand what you do with your life?
Bro, I just dey go with the flow.
See this boy, CEO at 23.
Guy, forget that thing.
I swear I thought say by now, I go don make small money, help my people.
As a guy, pressure no be here. Everybody expects something from you.
So we just dey manage life like this.
Manage, K. They hustle for upgrade. One day things go align.
But for now, we'll move.
Wait, you won't believe this. Everything you watch was created using a free AI tool nobody is talking about right now. No expensive software. No stress. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use it to create your own content, even if you're just starting. Let's get into it.
How to access this tool. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser. I'll go to your Chrome browser or your Google browser. So just type Gemini Business AI. Type Gemini Business AI. Let me maximize it so that you see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. See, this is how the logo looks like. Let me maximize it. I believe you are seeing this. Okay, so you're going to click on it. All right, now when you click on it, it's going to bring it to this interface and they are going to request that you should sign up. All right, so you have to sign in with your Google account. Just click on sign in. You will automatically be signed in. Okay, now as you can see, signing in to Gemini Business Enterprise. All right, now they've brought me to this interface. Please make sure you remain here. Don't leave this interface. Okay, now here is a plus icon where you can upload the reference image, and here is where you can paste your prompts. Okay, so we're going to work with text to video. All right, so they said here, ask anything, search your data. We can use mention or blah blah blah. All right, so I'm going to paste my prompt here. This is the description of the character and the dialogue. All right, what I have to do is to paste my prompt here. So I'm going to paste my prompt including my dialogue. So I'm going to click on paste. So once I've pasted, all right, so what you have to do, you see this this icon, click on it. You're going to see, if you click on this icon, you're going to see search Google, Canvas preview, deep research, generate images. So that you can generate images here. You can do a whole lot of things with this tool. Okay, so you can generate your free images with Nano Banana here, and you can as well generate your video. So the last one is the one we are going to work with. So just click select create video. So after selecting create videos, what you have to do is to click here and hit generate. All right, now if you want a 16:9 aspect ratio, you have to emphasize on 16:9 aspect ratio. If you want a 9:16, emphasize on it as well. Okay, so let's wait for our video to be ready. So it's displaying thinking, so you have to wait. All right, so now the video is ready. So in order to download this, what you have to do is to click at the right hand side here and select download. Then they're gonna display this. Yes, download. Just click on download. Now it will automatically be downloaded in your tool. So let's play it and see the result.
Babe, be honest. You don't understand this life at all. I understand, K. I just dey survive every day in a freestyle.
Can you see how beautiful it is? So this is beautiful. So I'm going to try out different prompts so that you see that this tool is really working. All right, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to paste another prompt and hit generate. Make sure that video displaying here is also displaying from your end. So I'm going to click send. Now if you are generating your video and it stops by itself, what you need to do is just regenerate. Okay, it's either it's network issue.
If this is already helpful, don't forget to like, share and follow. It really helps more people see this, and trust me, it gets even better.
So most times network issue can actually contribute to it. All right, so let's wait and see. This one, it says something went wrong while answering your question. Please try again. So what you have to do is to just click on regenerate the response. All right, so don't leave this interface. Okay, now the video is ready. So I'm gonna click here and download it first, then I'll play it.
Just got my second car. It's when
Didn't like the outcome. So if you didn't like the outcome of your own, what you have to do is to paste your prompts, and that is repaste your prompts and regenerate. Okay. Okay. The video is ready.
See this girl just bought my son car at 23. God, when? Relax. Now highlight reel. Nobody.
So just click here and download it. Right, I'm going to try out another prompt. So I'm going to paste my prompt here. Okay, so the video is loading. Video is ready. Now the video is ready. So this is it. So I'm gonna first download it, then I'll play it.
See this guy, I made my first million at 24. I never even hold 100k complete. Social media got pressure you if you let them. Nobody shows the struggle part.
Alright, so the same guys. So
I swear I thought say by now, I go don make small money, help my people.
As a guy, pressure no be here. Everybody expects something from you.
so this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Just download it. So
Everything you just watched was created using a completely free AI tool. Now, imagine what you can create with this. If this video helped you, kindly like, share, and follow for more powerful AI content. And if you're serious about learning how to create viral AI videos and start earning, check the link in my bio to join my AI movie mastery class. Before you go, drop a comment. Where are you watching from? I would love to know.